Here at work, the diffuser just popped up. Taking it off. That sucks. Just got out of work. Job number 2. Just got my car back this morning from Honda dealership. Went to get it serviced. Come to find out my fog lights aren't working. Oh shit, you can't see. But my fog lights are in the bottom. They're not lit up. I have a feeling that Honda was messing with my car. They were working this morning before I dropped it off.
This yours?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Just opened the package. I thought it were for me, but they're just the headlights I ordered for my parents. For my dad's truck, some LED lights, and my mom's van. Some LED lights. Probably install them later today. Front splitter just arrived. I thought the front splitter was gonna be solid, but it's pretty flexible, which I don't know. I didn't want, but we'll see how it goes. Came with hardware as well included. Yeah, might be painting it gloss black to match the color of the car. Got the whip on jacks now, both sides. Ready to do some surgery. Got the drill ready, the bits, the hardware, and the front splitter. Shout! Think I'm just gonna send it. Just mount it like that, even though it doesn't line up. Just a good lip for starters. Once I get the hang of it, how to turn without scraping or breaking it, then we'll go with the CF look. Carbon fiber. So the front splitter was too flexy, I don't know. I didn't like the material, so I didn't even bother putting it on. I'm just gonna return it, send it back, get a carbon fiber one. LED lights for the wing. These lights are hecka bright. LEDs on my mom's van too. Hey. These suck though. They're not as bright, but still does the trick. Got my fog lights fixed. They're running now on the dealership. Okay, happy boys now. Turns out it was like a little switch that they messed with. So yeah, fully functioning now. That's good. Now it says, got my fog lights on. Back home, got my fog lights working. Yeah, it turns out it was just a lever. It wasn't. I'll show you guys. Oh damn, that's close. Keep my rats. So turns out it's this little switch right here that turns it on and off. It was off the whole time. I didn't know. Cause on some like that size, they have a button right here next to the traction one that turns on and off the fog lights. My car doesn't. It has it up here. But I didn't know that. They have to be on. Then you can turn it off and on. But yeah, learn something new every day.